You having fun?
Yeah.
Not bad. Quit work about 4 o'clock, head to the lake. Got the boat in the water in 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Catching fish in another 15.
It's a pretty fine place we live in.
All right, bub, we're either gonna hang you up or hook you a fish. You ready?
Yeah.
You've been all day smelling the boat up. Smelling like a skunk.
I've done nothing but catch ghosts, and I ain't even sure I've caught many of them.
You see the difference in the rock and then the gravel, and this all on a point. It's a whole lot of transition right there. That's where you like to catch them big bass, is right on a transition. I'm kind of shallowing you up. You're gonna hang something. Just hang on to it. It should bump the ground a couple times.
Mine bumped just then.
Tell me that ain't some beautiful country right there. Fog rolling. Just a bump. Just hit that gravel bar transition. Big old buzzard sitting right up yonder on top of that stub.
Look at that sunset, ain't that pretty?
Do what?
Look at that sunset over the water.
You want to film a minute while you're holding? You get fish hanging on there, just throw it down in the bottom of the boat.
That's beautiful. What do you think?
CTR, baby. I'm living the damn dream. Anybody that ain't out working on their hot rods or catching fish with their boy or something is missing the damn boat. Gas ain't that high. And, you know, we don't have to worry about politicians fucking shit up. We don't need them. They don't really mean anything to me.
We're just fishing.
I'm out here fishing. And I'm going to keep a fishing. I don't care who don't like it. I don't have to have no 9 to 5 to catch fish. Just to please politicians. Retire early. Go fishing while you still can before you get too damn old. We're following a whole bunch of geese. You see them strung out all over there?
I see them. I don't know if they're showing up in the camera. But yeah, I see them.
Come a little shower of rain when we first put in. Just about enough to make you good and damp. Then it was cloudy for a little bit, and then the sun popped back out, and the old fogs are rolling in. I bet it'll be thicker than pea soup here about 2 more hours. Won't be able to see your hand with a spotlight. Somebody's got a nice house right up there.
That's a pretty backyard they got, ain't it?
They living down here on Shoals Lake. It's 87 miles from dam to dam. It's a lot of places to fish, and our water don't never freeze. Not ever. We can fish 365 days a year, even if it's snowing, we can go fishing. Just gotta have a lot of grit when there's some of them days. I'm out.
I bet I've got a piece of trash I cannot make a dime.